Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing the E750. I've been looking for this for a very long time. Just trying to get it. Oh, Mom, you forgot one more part. My mom is helping me to unbox it because there's still a lot of more things like Darius the ball.
Hi everyone, Louie's been looking for this for a really long time.
Mom doesn't love things.
There's some things holding on to its feet. There we go, Louie.
Okay, so this is the Scorpios. This is not the sound Scorpios, but Mom, can you get the other things?
You show them.
So, look at this nice paint color, and look at, it even has arms move, legs move. The buttons are supposed to be buttons. This is not the raw or slash Scorpios Rex. Okay, and now, this Scorpios Rex is really cool. It can even crawl. Look, it can crawl. And it can also open its arms, like bite. And then you have both arms through. Oh, we have a new guy, Kenji. Oh, what about if we get Kenji get eaten? Because we also have the vagina first. The bull. The Scorpios Rex is eating. Oh, actually, there's a little red on the Scorpios Rex. That must be blood. Ah, stop, Scorpion! Mom.
Is Scorpius eating Kenji?
Yes. Here's the last one, the driest fill. Okay, we have to figure out how to open this baby. Oh, there we go. Yes. Let's get him to sit down. Good. This is hard. Okay, that's it. There you go. Okay,
There
now
you go, I'll help you a little
let me
bit.
put the ball back.
And then I'll put his hands on the thing.
Yeah, and then put back.
Put it that way, I think.
And that's it.
Just wait a minute. Oh, that goes in there.
There we go. Look. Yeah.
Ooh. Let Kenji roll off the bench.
Oh, he's gonna fall. Okay.
Let him roll off the bench.
Kenji's just having a draw, boy. Okay, Kenji. Okay, now that's enough, Kenji. Come here. I can eat this face now. Oh, he's flying around a lot. Yeah. Ooh, Mom is gonna fall off. It didn't fall off. Because Scorpios is action raw. Okay, let me just go get it. Got it. This is my first ever drive here. A bit of people in it. But it's just mostly meant for Kenji. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Scorpios Rex is trying to eat him. Let's see, can Scorpios Rex break in? No, he can't. Scorpios Rex got hit. Is Kenji gonna make it? Woo! Okay, when I roll it. Okay, let's do it proper. Okay, but okay, Kenji saw some head got the. Oh no, poison! And then the bull rolls over, but Kenji doesn't roll over for some reason. Kenji's just staying in his place. This is really cool. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna end the video. And flip.